There's nothing like the freedom, convenience, and economy that comes with a motorcycle. But to keep your bike free of problems and fun to ride, it's crucial that you do regular maintenance. No matter the cost of the motorcycle, it is likely a major investment, and the cost of maintenance is well worth the savings on expensive repairs. BG Products, the USA market leader with a 53% share among automobile dealerships, now offers treatments especially made for motorcycles, mopeds, scooters, and utility vehicles. There are 3 elements to the BG Motorcycle Maintenance Kit, and they come in 4 different sizes: 30, 60, 100, and 177 milliliters to treat everything from the smallest moped to the biggest road bike. With less than 1 liter, up to 4 liters of oil, and less than 10 liters, up to 38 liters of fuel. Carbon deposits impair the performance and efficiency of your motorcycle, affecting the piston rings, compression, and the entire fuel system. BG Engine Performance Restoration restores power and compression to like-new performance, removing fuel gums from piston rings and micro passageways. Simply add it to old oil and let it run for 15 minutes before draining. Then, take the final compression check after adding new oil. Tests prove that engine performance restoration can have a dramatic effect on the compression in your motorcycle. Compression means power and better fuel economy. Compression tests on a Polaris 900 ATV improved 17%. Compression on a BMW 1130 improved 26%. And compression on a Kawasaki 650 improved 53%. BG Engine Performance Concentrate is specifically formulated for motorcycles. It's added to fresh oil. It helps maintain cleanliness and performance under tough operating conditions. It is specially formulated for wet clutch applications and is excellent in dry clutches as well. In testing on a motorcycle dyno, results showed an improvement in horsepower of 11.4%. and an improvement in torque of 15% with the use of BG Engine Performance Restoration and BG Engine Performance Concentrate. BG44K is a premium fuel system cleaner that restores power and fuel efficiency by cleaning the carbon buildup on your intake valves, piston tops, injectors, and combustion chamber. It keeps the entire fuel system clean between each oil change. Simply add it to the tank. It works over a full tank of gas to do a complete cleaning. Results show BG44K can restore fuel efficiency. In testing on a Honda 1300, fuel efficiency improved from 36 to 45 miles per gallon, a 25% increase. Tests on a Yamaha 900 showed an improvement of 9.9 brake horsepower after a full performance oil change using BG44K. Keep your motorcycle free from problems and fun to ride. Maintain it at its peak performance using BG products. BG motorcycle and ATV products can be found at top quality motorcycle service centers worldwide. Find yours at bgprod.com.